Like function of this feature, we have a slab with 2 openings here. We will see how we can write reinforcement for a polygon slab with openings. Okay, we select the slab. And to remove the rebar at opening position, we will click to this button, select opening error, and then we can select all the openings. Okay, when we apply reinforcement, you can see the result. The rebar will be cut at openings error. And the concrete cover is assured. And we can see that the rebar will cut and lap at also cut and lap at maximum position, as you can see here. Okay. Okay. And even where the rebar we hook, so let's see. And we apply bottom rebar we hook. The same. Okay, so as you can see, the rebar will be like this. And the maximum length is also be 0.